Now we would add our SUV menu over here in much the same way. We go back to our menus. We go to menu items and main menu, and then we create a new one, and we'll do articles. And then the type of article we're going to do is by section. And then here we'll put SUVs. Okay, and then we go through much the same process here. Over on this side, we will select SUVs and just keep all the defaults again. And then down here, we would change these as we like. Remember, we change all the parameters that we want to change, and then we save. Okay, now if we go back and refresh over here, there's our SUVs. Click on that. We have one article on crossovers. Click Ford Edge. And there's our article there. Now, instead of doing it by sections, or as well as doing it by sections, we could also do it by category if we wanted. And to do that, we could go into here, and then we could do new and articles. And then this time, we could use category. And here we could say half ton. Okay, and then again, now we could put under trucks if we want, or we can just do the top if we want to do all the half tons in our menu. Okay, and then we got the same type of stuff here. We select our category up here. So we're going to do trucks half ton. So like so. We set our number of links. And then we can set our parameters as we see fit down here. We have our advanced parameters. Again, these are much the same as before. Okay, so let's save this. Now if we refresh over here, if we click on trucks now, you'll see that we have on our menu we have half ton, and then it brings up the article. So that adds another level to our menu here. Then we would do the same thing with SUVs. Okay, so when we come back in here, now we create a new, then we go into articles again. Then we go into category and category layout. You can do a list or a blog layout, doesn't matter which you want to do. And this time we'll do crossovers. Okay, that's going to go under SUVs. Over here, we have SUVs crossovers. We can set any of these parameters we want here. Okay, so now we have half-ton trucks under trucks and crossovers under SUVs. And of course, if we had half-ton under SUVs, we'd have them down here as well because we're sorting by categories now. So if we go over to this side, we refresh now. And we click on SUVs, you'll see that it brings crossover up here. Now what we could do, if we're going to use this layout, what we would want to do is not, when we click on SUV, we're not going to want to show this over here anymore. So what we would do is we go into trucks, and then we would hide the category list for both trucks and SUVs. Okay, so we'll go back here, go to click on home. Now when you click on trucks, okay, the category list isn't over here because we don't need it because we're using it this way now. So now we click on half ton, it brings up our article list this way. So that's two different ways you can set up your navigation. We'll continue with the menus and content in the next video.